Ikaw ba ay sumisweldo ng 30,000 per month o may co-borrower ka para ma-meet ito? At ready ka na mag-invest? Ito na ang pinaka-affordable na rent-to-own para sa'yo dahil 10,000 ng per month, ready for occupancy na. Hindi mo na kailangan na magrenta. This is a rent-to-own condominium in Bulacan. And you won't believe dahil along MacArthur Highway lang ito. 5 minutes away sa SM Marilao, Philippine Arena at NLEX. Dahil nasa prime location tayo. SM Hypermarket inside community. Safe and secure dahil meron tayong security guard. Ito ang bahay na masasabi mong sayo dahil may titulo ito at pwede mo pang ipamana. Pinakasulit dahil may spacious na living room, complete features ng toilet and bath. Naka-partition na ito sa 2-bedroom na sarili mong kwarto. Yes, gawa na ito dahil we offer fully fitted units, gamit mo na lang ang kulang. 1 to 2 months, lipat agad. At may amenities na pwede mong magamit. Indoor basketball court, playground, clubhouse, at swimming pool. Kaya if you feel that this property is for you, i-message mo na ako. I am Rachel na tutulungan ka mula reservation hanggang makalipat ka because I am Surekin Agent.